How to add a photo album on your Wix. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. This is going to be for Wix, not Wix Studio as it says on the top left. So we're just going to get started right away by clicking on Edit Site from the top right. And once this opens up, I will show you exactly what you need to do next. Okay, so once your site editor opens up, you basically want to find the location where you want to add the album. So it could be on this page or a different one. If it's a different one, just click on here and select that page. In my case, I'm just going to add it here for the time being by clicking on Add Section. Now, adding a strip is optional, but I'm just going to keep it on the section itself. Now, in order to add the album, you just want to go to Add Elements from the top left. Click on that and basically hover over to Gallery here. Once you go to Gallery, you're going to have a few different items that you can use that are all going to really work. It really depends on the style that you want to go for. So I'm just going to go for grid galleries. This is going to be the section I'm going to stay in for the time being. Now you can select, with titles or not. It's completely up to you. And I think I'm just going to go with the one without the title. So I'm just going to go with this one, drag and drop wherever you want it to be. And once that's done, we basically are good to go. Now the only thing left for us to do is just adjust the images and we are set. So to do so, we basically need to click on change images from the first. If you don't see it, just go and click on the actual album here. So just go and click on that, which is pretty much going to open up this menu here for you. There are going to be plenty of things that you can change, but mainly we're going to be changing images, so click on Change Images. In here, we can feel free to remove the images that are existing right now, and we can just replace them with others that we need. So we can just delete all of this. For example, let's just keep them for the time being and click on Add Images at the top here. And once you click on Add Images, it's just going to open up this for you where you'll be able to upload media from your computer, or if you already have some, you can just go in and click on them. And you can also hold Control and select multiple to add them to the gallery. So I'm just going to add that one, orange, whatever it may be. So click on Add to Gallery once you're happy with them. And now the last thing that we can do is also rearrange them to our liking. So let's just keep it as colors first, and then this happens. You get the idea. And we can also feel free to change the title for each one of them. So for example, this one, if we don't like it's saying orange, we can feel free to change it. If you wanted to add a description to it, or even a link where people can click on it, all of these things are going to be available for each and every single image that we have. Click on Done once you're happy with it, and it's just going to change just like that. And yeah, we can feel free to also resize it if you would like to do that. And we can also go to Layout here and change a few things. For example, the how many columns there are or rows, and the spacing between them. So yeah, this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative, and thanks for watching.